Welcome to our latest video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. If you've ever wondered about the black and white lines on your grocery items, library books, or even the technology products you use every day, then this video is for you. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of barcoding. We'll explore how it works, its different types, and why it's crucial in manufacturing, distribution, and production. Plus, we'll offer some tips on choosing the right barcode scanner for your needs. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of barcoding. You might be familiar with barcodes as those little black and white lines on your grocery items or library books. But did you know they play a significant role in manufacturing, distribution, and production too? From tracking assets and equipment in a facility to managing raw materials and inventory, barcodes add a great deal of efficiency and accuracy to modern-day products and services. So how does barcoding work? Well, barcodes are typically a set of narrow and thick vertical lines printed in a particular pattern in the shape of a rectangle. Beneath the barcode, there's a set of numbers or letters. These codes are one-dimensional, and the pattern of black and white spaces codes the information into physical form. But there's more to barcodes than just one-dimensional codes. Two-dimensional codes are growing in popularity. The most common is the QR code that your smartphone can scan from a sign, flyer, mailer, or product. All markings in a barcode represent a set of information specific to the item, material, or asset. The more detailed the physical code, the more information it can store. To read these barcodes, you'll need a barcode reader. These readers use lasers to transmit the information from the barcode to a centralized CMMS system. The system then manipulates the data and can create and store reports to help make better business decisions. Now, let's talk about the different types of barcodes. They can be categorized into three main groups: numeric, alpha-numeric, and two-dimensional. Numeric barcodes include only numbers or a combination of letters and numbers, as well as bars of varying widths. Alpha-numeric codes include letters and numbers, and two-dimensional codes like QR codes are a combination of short lines and dots. According to barcoding.com, there are more than 100 different symbologies for barcodes. Numeric symbologies include the UPC code, which is commonly found on many retail items, and EN codes used at point of sale. Alpha-numeric codes include the Plessy code, used for grocery store shelf labeling and library coding. And two-dimensional codes, which became popular with the rising use of smartphones, can encode more than 7,000 characters in one barcode. Choosing the right barcode scanner is crucial. You need to consider what you'll use it for, how often you'll need it, and what kind of technology must be integrated with it. The first consideration in choosing a scanner is what kind of scan engine you want. Most barcode scanners use laser technology, which is both a cost-effective and common choice. But there's also linear imager scan engines and 2D area imager, which are more advanced. The form of your scanner also matters. The most common form is the handheld gun style, but there are also presentation and in-counter scanners, mobile computer forms, and fixed mount scanners. Now, why should you consider using barcodes? Well, according to barcoding.com, barcodes increase the speed of collecting item information, improve the accuracy of the data, and can be adopted easily and effectively. A common reader can scan a barcode in the same amount of time it takes a warehouse worker to type 2 numbers or letters. Plus, the accuracy of laser barcoding technology results in 1 error in every 70 million scans. And the best part? Training takes as little as 15 minutes, and return on investment in a system is realized in roughly 1 year. Now that's efficiency. So there you have it. The world of barcoding is vast and fascinating, and it's making our lives more efficient one scan at a time. Thank you for watching. We've explored the world of barcoding, its types, how it works, and its role in manufacturing, distribution, and production. We've also discussed the importance of choosing the right barcode scanner. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com.